Today I want to share a secret with you. Have you ever told a friend about a funny game or a yummy snacks you tried? And then what? Your friend wanted to try it because you said it was good. That's similar what businesses do with something called client testimonials. Think of the client testimonial as a gold star or thumbs up from the people who have tried something and liked it. For example, if someone try your product or service and love it, they might tell to you or your company, this is the best service, best product ever. Then you can share this message with others to show that your product is really good. When a business shares these happy messages, it's like they are showing off their gold stars. And these gold stars help other people to trust the businesses more. It's like if you were choosing between the two ice cream and 110 gold star from friends and saying it's tasty and other had none, then you would probably want to try the one with the gold stars, right? So for the everyone who has a shop, makes things or have a product or offer, these gold stars or the client testimonials are the super helpful. It shows that the real people tried what you offer and really liked it. Next time you hear a happy message about your product or service, remember that it is a gold star and record this in the form of video and share your gold star on the social media. And also you can collect in the form of Google review, Trustpilot review and sell it on the social media. I hope you do, and I hope you learn more about why client testimonial are so special.